shoebox Biome project. I'm doing a rainforest, and it's a night box. We sellotaped the inside and the outside to make it firm and strong. So the supplies: you need some animals if you want. You need some paint, clear hard melt glue sticks, maybe a wallpaper if you want some, washing screws, scissors, and a hot glue gun. What you're gonna use cartridges for if you don't have a hot glue gun. Just put up the washing screws, and you can get these from pound shop. And you have to make the shoebox strong and firm so it doesn't fall or break. So you can place these in like here, or however, like that. Here, place. You can actually choose one. This here and this here, but we need a spare piece here. And with like your spare pieces, you can use it like here. So in the corner, bend it. Where it's bent, cut it up. Might be hard cutting it. With scissors. And now, so we've just printed out the pictures and we've stuck it on with a print stick. So now we'll start adding the leaves, trees, and some water as a waterfall to come here, and some rocks for some show. And this hopefully actually it's not will go here, rocks next to it, the leaf here. So like we'll try and put that there. And the rock side, and to make it look like you're actually there, like the plants are here. And now we are going to add even bigger plants and some animals to it. Like this might go here hiding, this might be here. So we'll just do this, and to make it bushy and all that. A bunch of creatures, a bunch of leaves, a bunch of trees, and cut.
I don't know what to say.
I went into the garden. I found some plants and some to give that real rainforest effect. And we found some dead plants to make that real rainforest effect. I've stuck animals on there, so like because there's lots of animals living in the rainforest. Toothpicks and to stick it on, and then put it on. Be very careful. I'm just gonna put it right here. Might have to hold it for like 5 or 3 seconds. And now stuck on. So we're just gonna stick this gorilla. We're gonna make this gorilla hide here. got hot glue. My fingers. So it's hiding with this baby. So yeah.